This video presents a newly designed smart professional system to assist specialists in taking decisions regarding smile and face aesthetics. This software analyzes and interprets the patient's current situation and elaborates the ideal aesthetic solution. It brings together and interacts with the specialist, the patient, the aesthetic team, the dental technician, and CAD systems. It is a powerful, easy, and intuitive tool for the specialists who aim high. And it is for them that we designed SmileTron. The first step is acquiring videos and photos of the patient. The ideal solution is to prepare a photography studio right within the dental office itself, with movable polystyrene walls, fixed lights, and tripod. Of course, you can always shoot professional photos in any area of the office using simple ring flashes and the integrated flash on digital reflex photo cameras. The SmileTron photographic guide features a description of the patient's poses so that the patient can readily understand the positions and expressions required with the help of a series of drawings and instructions. The camera operator is provided with simple instructions on the techniques to take the necessary photos. The second step is taking precise measurements with a caliper calibrated in hundredths of a millimeter to avoid approximation and incorrect calibration. The SmileTron guide features a printable reference chart. If you use intraoral scanners with SmileTron, you can import the 3D files to visualize and examine the patient's arcades in 3D. Take the measurements and share them with the lab, which can then import them into the CAD/CAM systems. With intraoral scanning, you no longer have to send the physical impression to the laboratory. The next step is uploading photos, X-rays, videos, 3D files, etc. onto the software and in the patient's file. The photos are scaled to real-life size through calibration with a simple software wizard. The fourth step is marking the landmarks indicated by the software with the wizard. What if the specialist is short on time? You can ask the SmileTron service to make the preparations so that the test can soon be visualized on your PC. The system is now ready for the automatic smile analysis. In a few seconds, it processes nearly 300 parameters and automatically carries out a detailed assessment for the initial aesthetic classification of the patient to identify the best course of treatment and bring face, lips, and teeth in harmony. The sixth step is the product of the smile analysis, the synthetic elaboration of the whole test displayed in a single screenshot, where all the synthetic data essential for smart, personal, scientific aesthetic rehabilitation can be easily visualized. The hotspots contain a synthesis of clear and simple aesthetic and clinical information for the specialist, the dental technician, and the entire team. SmileTron elaborates the individual shapes of the teeth involved in the smile through the analysis of the data supplied by the test. It is the only system with the capability for automatically drawing of teeth shapes without libraries or standard templates. SmileTron can produce truly personal shapes for each smile and each face. With the shapes obtained, you can create an automatic realistic photo simulation of your hypothetical aesthetic restoration. Once the patient approves the project described by the specialist using the realistic photo simulation, giving the lab the go-ahead is just a click away. The lab will have real-time computer access to the patient's clinical file and will visualize everything it needs to produce the diagnostic wax-up, including 3D files importable onto the lab's model builder software. With SmileTron's synthetic rendering and the specialist's approval, the dental technician has everything needed to create the diagnostic wax-up and mock-up in a single screenshot. Once the diagnostic wax-up based on SmileTron's prescriptions is ready, the lab will ask for validation from the specialist, who can visualize and assess the wax simulation on the computer. If the patient and the specialist both accept the simulation, the rehabilitation can begin right away, and you can be certain that the aesthetic goal will be achieved and the patient's needs will be met.